last class, what I am discussing, GUI. Okay, GUI means graphical user interface about SolidWorks. After that, introduction about the Sketcher Workbench. Okay, why have to use Sketcher Workbench? Sketcher Workbench used for draw the 2D sketches. Okay, see, to draw any 2D sketch in any software, so what are the tools you want to learn first? Drawing commands, modify commands, annotations, after that constraints. Draw commands, modify commands, annotations, after that constraints. You want to learn these four. Okay, so what are the draw commands? Line, circle, rectangle, polygon, ellipse, arc. Okay, polyline, spline. These all are the draw commands. Modify commands means so fillet, chamfer, trim command, extend command, so array command. Okay, next one scale, join, explode. Number of commands are there. Next, you can go to the annotations. Annotations means what? Dimensions. Okay, so your number of types of dimensions are there now. Linear dimension, align dimension, angular, radius, diameter. Okay, so many dimensions are there. Okay, after that constraints. Constraints means what? Relation between two profiles. So this is the meaning of the constraints. Okay, so relation means what? So you know some of the relations now. So tangent, coincident, concentricity, parallel, perpendicular. These are the relations. Okay, for example, one line and circle both are tangent. Tangent is the one relation that is called constraint. Okay, see two types of constraints are there now. Dimensional constraints, geometrical constraints. Dimensional constraints means what? So dimension types. Okay, linear, aligned. Okay, angular, radius, diameter, continued dimension, baseline dimension. So what are the dimensions you want to learn in AutoCAD? Okay, this all dimensions is called dimensional constraints. Geometrical constraints means coincident, concentricity, tangent, parallel, perpendicular, horizontal, vertical. These are all are the geometrical constraints. So before you want to draw any 2D sketch, so you want to learn these four tools first. Okay, draw commands, modify commands, annotations, constraints. Okay, see after that you can go to the software. See here, I want to open file, new, part modeling, click on OK. So in that part modeling, so I want to need sketch workbenches. So you can click on the sketch here. See, these are the sketching commands. Okay, already yesterday I am discussing. So draw commands. These are the draw commands. Okay, see here fillet, chamfer, trim command, extend, offset, mirror, linear sketch pattern, move command, copy. All are modify commands. Smart dimension is called annotations. Okay, display delete relation is called constraints. Okay, first you can learn all the options first. After that only you can go to the 2D sketches. Okay, see how to enter the sketcher workbench. You know already. After that, how to start your 2D sketch. How to start means, see here, you know already three planes are there. Front plane, top plane, side plane, right plane that is. Why have to use these planes? For example, you can design any component first before you can draw the 2D sketch first. Okay, for example, you want to draw top view, select the top plane only. So you want to design any component. So I want to draw right view, right side view, select the side plane only. Front view you want to draw, select the front plane only. Okay, see now I want to draw top view, for example. Okay, select the top plane. So after selecting, you can observe here, here sketch option is there. Click on this sketch. Click on the sketch, directly you can go to the sketcher workbench. See here all the options will be highlighted now, previously hiding now some of the options. Okay, so in this way you can go to the sketcher, or so you can exit. Okay, or can click on the sketcher directly, so select plane. Okay, you can go to the sketch option, your wish only how to enter this sketch. Okay, so you can exit. see, directly click on the plane, click on the sketch option, or you can exit, or directly click on the plane, or click on here also. Okay, in two ways you can go to the sketch. See, after you can go to sketch. So see, first I am discussing draw comments. First I am discussing draw comments. How to draw line, how to draw circle, how to draw rectangle, polygon, ellipse, arc, spline, all this. Okay, so already I am discussing what is the difference between AutoCAD and SolidWorks software. Okay, so in AutoCAD, you want to need 100 distance line, directly draw 100 distance line. But here just you want to draw line only first. After that only you can apply the dimensions. AutoCAD లో ఏం చేస్తాం, 100 distance line కావాలంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా 100 distance line డ్రా చేస్తాం. బట్ ఇక్కడ అలా డ్రా చేయాలి. ఓకే, నీకు 100 distance line కావాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ లైన్ డ్రా చేస్తాం, తర్వాత ఎంత డైమెన్షన్ కావాలి అనేది డైమెన్షన్ అనేది అప్లై చేస్తాం. Okay, that is the difference. Okay, one more difference is what? So in AutoCAD you can use commands. Na? Here there is no commands are there, directly you can click which command you want to need, directly click on that command. Clear? So నాకు లైన్ కావాలంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా లైన్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తావు, సర్కిల్ కావాలంటే సర్కిల్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తావు. AutoCAD అయితే ఏం చేయాలి, కమాండ్స్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తుంటారు. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ I want to go to the line command. Okay, see here, line. So you can click on any command. You can use any command or any feature. So you can observe side only. Inside only number of options are there. అర్థమైందా? మీరు ఏ కమాండ్ తీసుకున్నా సరే సైడ్ ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. సైడ్ ని మీకు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆప్షన్స్ అనేవి వస్తాయి. అది స్కెచ్ లో కావచ్చు, పార్ట్ మోల్డింగ్, అసెంబ్లీ, షీట్ మెటల్, సర్ఫేస్ మోల్డింగ్, దేంట్లో ఏ కమాండ్ యూజ్ చేసినా సరే సైడ్ న మీకు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆప్షన్స్ అనేవి వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, సైడ్ నే వస్తాయి. ఈ ఆప్షన్స్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, see I am taking line here. After taking line here you can see number of options are there na. So as sketched, horizontal, vertical, angle, for construction, infinite length, midpoint line, these are the options are there. Okay, so you know already line. Line means what? Line will be always horizontal or vertical or somewhere sometimes will be inclined. సో లైన్ అనేది ఎలా ఉండొచ్చు, హారిజాంటల్ గా ఉండొచ్చు, వర్టికల్ గా ఉండొచ్చు, సమ్ ఇంక్లైన్డ్ గా ఉండొచ్చు. ఓకే, సి నాకు ఒక ఫిగర్ ఉంది, లైన్ డయాగ్రామ్. సో వన్ లైన్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఈజ్ దేర్. దిస్ డయాగ్రామ్ హ్యావింగ్ హారిజాంటల్ లైన్ ఈజ్ దేర్, వర్టికల్ లైన్ ఈజ్ దేర్, సమ్ ఇంక్లైన్డ్ లైన్ ఈజ్ దేర్. Okay, so I want to draw all the lines once a time. For example, see, always you can take as sketched only you can prefer. Okay, so you want to take this as sketched. Okay, horizontal line is possible to draw, vertical line is possible to draw, some inclined line is also possible to draw. Okay, see, I am taking as sketched. See, I am starting from here, this is my line starting point. I want to need horizontal line. See, you want to draw horizontal. See, yellow color symbol is there na, that symbol is there, that is always straight line. Okay, but in AutoCAD you want to use F8 functional key. Here there is no functional keys are there. So how to find out this is a straight line means that yellow color symbol is there. ఆ స్ట్రైట్ గా ఉందని లైన్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తావు, నువ్వు డ్రా చేసినప్పుడు ఆ ఎల్లో కలర్ సింబల్ కనపడుతుంటే లైన్ అనేది స్ట్రైట్ గా డ్రా అవుతున్నట్టు గుర్తు నీకు. అర్థమవుతుందా? సమ్ ఇంక్లైన్డ్ గా పెట్టినాం, దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ హారిజాంటల్ లైన్. వై? దెర్ ఈజ్ నో ఎల్లో కలర్ సింబల్ ఈజ్ దేర్. క్లియర్? అర్థమైందా? So this is the horizontal line now. I want to need horizontal, just click on it. I want to need vertical, again you want to take vertical. Here also yellow color symbol is there. Okay, see, I want to click. I don't know how much length. After drawing is completed, I want to apply the dimensions. Okay, see, I want to need from here to some inclined. I want to need some inclined. I want to again vertical. I want to need horizontal. I want to need some vertical. I want to need some incline. You want to connect this. I want to need this figure. Okay, after after completing your figure, right click. So you can click on the select option. You can exit from the command. After completion of your figure, how to exit from the command? You can right click on the select option. So you can exit from the command, or you can press the escape button. One more. Okay, or so after completion of this, so So I am taking one more line, horizontal, vertical, see again horizontal, vertical, some incline. After completion, again you can go to here, click on here also is possible. In three ways you can exit from the command after completion. First way is what? You can right click on the select option, or you can press the escape button, or after completion you can go to the directly click on the line command, you can exit. Okay, so you can take always as sketched only you can prepare. Why means you can take as sketched, so you can draw horizontal line, vertical line, and some inclined line is also possible to draw. Clear? See, for example, you can take line command. See, I want to take horizontal option. See, you want to draw horizontal line only possible in always. After completion, see, click on OK. Again, you can click on here. I want to need vertical line. See, is not possible to draw vertical line. Always draw horizontal only. Clear? So I want to need one more vertical line. That time, again you want to take vertical, na? That is time taking process, na? Yes or no? You want to need some inclined line. Again you want to take angle. Every time you want to take that. ప్రతిసారి తీసుకోగా దానివల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, టైం వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది. అదే యాజ్ స్కెచ్డ్ పెట్టుకున్నావు అనుకో, వన్ సైడ్ టైం నువ్వు హారిజాంటల్ డ్రా చేస్తున్నావు, వర్టికల్ డ్రా చేస్తున్నావు, సమ్ ఇంక్లైన్ డ్రా చేస్తున్నావు. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఆల్వేస్ యాజ్ స్కెచ్డ్ ఓన్లీ. వై మీన్స్ ఐ వాంట్ టు డ్రా హారిజాంటల్, వర్టికల్ అండ్ సమ్ ఇంక్లైన్ లైన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో పాసిబుల్. Okay, that's why you can prepare always one option. This option only you can prepare as sketched. Okay, so you are not taking any option. Clear? See, after that, here for construction is there. What is the use of this one means? See, without switch of this, I want to draw line. So you can see here, you want to draw normal line. For example, I want to switch on this line command. I want to switch on the for construction. I want to draw line. You can see here, so you want to draw a dotted line. Dotted line means what? Reference line. For construction on చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, reference line draw అవుతుంది, అంటే dotted line అనేది వస్తుంది. That is the use of the for construction. Okay, so next one, see, infinite length is there. For example, you want to switch on this. So see here, you want to possible to draw X line. You know the X line? No, X line means infinite line. No start point, no end point is it. You want to need horizontal, click on the horizontal. Can click on here. You want to need vertical, can click on vertical. Okay, so again you want to need some incline, click on here. Some inclinely you want to place. You don't know how much angle. Okay, just you can draw incline. Okay, so want to switch on this, that time what happen here, so you want to draw the X lines. Clear? So you want to need X lines is also reference line. For example, X line got reference line ga kavali, dotted line ga, appudu em chestavu, again you can switch on this, both you want to switch on. See, now we want to see, so reference, sorry, so line command, I want to switch on this for construction. Infinite length I want to take. So you want to see, so you want to take a reference X line. Okay, that is the use of the for construction and infinite length. Next one more option is there. So midpoint line, you want to switch on this. Midpoint line means what? From the center to you want to draw line both the sides with same distance. See, I want to click on the line midpoint. So you can see line having one start point is there, one midpoint is there, one end point is there. Yes. So you can click on the directly line midpoint. From the midpoint to you want to draw equal distance line both the sides. ఏమవుతుంది చూడండి, మిడ్ పాయింట్ నుంచి రెండు సైడ్లో ఈక్వల్ డిస్టెన్స్ లైన్ వస్తుందా? ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ మిడ్ పాయింట్ లైన్. యూ కెన్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ హియర్. See, you can click on midpoint line. See here, this is my center. You can observe this one. Both the sides you want to draw one side time. From the center to this side, how much distance line is there? This side is also same distance line. Okay, so midpoint line ante entante, so meer oka center nunchi both the sides anedi equal distance ga line anedi draw cheyochu. Okay, so for example you want to switch off this, the time is not possible now, so we can draw only one side na line, this side or this side only. Yes or no? Top side or bottom side only. Okay, midpoint line on చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, రెండు సైడ్లు లైన్ అనేది డ్రా చేస్తున్నాం వన్ సెట్ టైం. That is the use of the midpoint line. Okay, clear? So this is the line command, that's it. You don't know how to apply length, okay, just how to draw the line you can practice. అర్థమైందా? లైన్ ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అంతే. అది ఎంత లెంత్ ఉంది ఎంత విడ్త్ ఉంది అనేది మీకు అవసరం లేదు, నేను చెప్పినప్పుడు అప్లై చేయండి. Okay, first you can practice the commands only. See in AutoCAD how to zoom in, how to zoom out page. Just a scroll button, you can roll, so back and roll forward, so you can zoom in, zoom out. So for example you can place cursor on right side, you can zoom this, that time what happen here, your figure is moving right side, left side, yes or no? For example you can place left side, you can zoom, your figure is moving right side. For example you can place top, you can zoom, your figure is moving bottom side. Okay, so your cursor is placing on bottom, you can zoom, your figure is moving top side. For example I want to move figure only, see, you can place cursor on that figure, you can zoom. Okay, how to zoom in, zoom out in AutoCAD, same way here also you can zoom. Okay, so in AutoCAD your figure is moving now, your page is moving, how to moving that page, click on the scroll button, you can press the scroll button always, you can move the mouse, your page is moving. Okay, here how to move your page, so right click, okay, see, right click, here zoom pan rotate option is there. Okay, you can click on the zoom pan rotate, see here pan option is there, you can take the pan option. So now you can press the left click or right click, so you can move your page, not scroll button you want to use, scroll button use cheyaleru. Okay, how to pan this page means, so you can right click, zoom pan rotate option is there, in the zoom pan rotate option you can click on the pan option, so you can zoom your you can move your page. Okay, again you can exit from the command, right click again, so you can select the option, select means what, you can exit from the command. Okay, so this is the zoom in, zoom out by using mouse. Okay, see here this is what, zoom to area, which area you want to zoom. Okay, select this, I want to select this area, you want to observe this one, so you want to zoom that area only, you can use this option. Okay, again you can click on here, you can exit. Okay, which area is possible to zoom, you can select that area. Okay, in AutoCAD also option is there, yes or no? Okay, see, by using this option zoom pit, zoom pit means what, your page will be pit. In AutoCAD how to fit the page, for example anyway you can zoom your page, AutoCAD page ni zoom చేసి నాకు పేజ్ ఉన్నది ఉన్నట్టు రావాలి, ఏం చేస్తావు, Z enter, A enter. Okay, so here no commands are there, that's why you can click on it, anyway you can zoom it, you can fit. Okay, so this is the zoom in, zoom out by using mouse, and by using these options also you can fit the page, and you can zoom your area, which area you want to need to zoom. Okay, see for example I want to delete all in my page, how to delete it, in AutoCAD select all. Okay, you can use control all. Okay, control all for selected, you can use delete option. Here also same. Or one more option is there, how to delete it. Not selected all, for example. By using mouse, how to select it? Okay, you can drag it. So you can select this, you can press the left click or right click. Okay, you can drag, you can select it in this way also. Na? Same way here also you can select it. AutoCAD ఎట్లా select చేస్తావో ఇక్కడ కూడా అలానే select చేయొచ్చు. How to select it AutoCAD? Here also same way you can select. Just fan is different. Can moving page is different, remaining all are same. Zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so selection mode also same. Okay,
blue box good is sir.
So you can drag right side, you can drag right side, you can drag so left side. Okay, this is what, this is what is the difference?
The blue box only selects the objects you completely select. Green box selects everything.
Yes.
You touched on.
See, this is the name as. You can press the left click, you can drag left side, green color is there. This is called cross polygon. This is for use for selection in AutoCAD or this software also. So you can click and drag right side, blue color is there. This is called window polygon. So these both having use for selection. But what is the difference for selection? Okay, by using cross polygon you can click figure anywhere, total figure will be selected. But you can, by using window polygon, total figure will be inside of your box. That time only that figure will be selected. Yes or no? Okay, so figure మొత్తం ఆ బాక్స్ లోపల ఉంటేనే ఫిగర్ సెలెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. అదే క్రాస్ పాలిగాన్ అనుకో, ఫిగర్ ఎనీవేర్ టచ్ అయినా సరే సెలెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ది డిఫరెన్స్. హియర్ ఆల్సో సేమ్. Window polygon is there, cross polygon is there. Okay, so you know AutoCAD perfectly, you can easily understand here. That's why I am saying in starting classes. Yes or no? So starting classes లో చెప్పిన అంతా AutoCAD వస్తే నీకు ఇక్కడ ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది, నువ్వు కొత్తగా నేర్చుకునేది ఏముంటుంది. Okay, see next one. So this is the line command na. So in line command, infinite length is there, midpoint line is there, per construction is there, as sketched, horizontal, vertical, angle options are. Okay, see directly you can take center line also. Previously how to take center line, can go to the line command. So I want to switch on the construction, you want to draw the center line na, without taking that option. Okay, directly you can go to the center line, so you can draw reference. In this way also you can do it. So previously you want to draw midpoint line, yes, so directly you can take midpoint line. Separate options are there. Okay, or one more, directly you can go to the line command, you can switch on the midpoint line. In this way also you can draw the midpoint line, your visual line where you want to use. Okay, so total this is called line command. Line is completed. అర్థమైంది అందరికి? Okay, next one, after line you can go to the circle command. Okay, so you can click on the circle here. Okay, this is called center point circle. Okay, see, click on the center, draw the circle. Click on the center, again one more circle. I want to need here, click on the center point, draw the circle. Again click on the center, one more. Here one more. Number of circles you want to draw once a time. You don't know how much radius, how much diameter, just you want to draw circle only. This is called center point circle. See, I am drawing circle now. In that time I want to switch on the for construction here. For construction is switch on. That time what happened here, you want to draw the reference circle. For construction is having all the commands. Line, circle, rectangle, polygon, ellipse, all commands having for construction option. What is the use of that means? So for reference, so to draw that. Okay, dotted ga convert kaataaniki use అవుతుంది. So this is called center point circle. Next one, this is 3-point circle. 3-point circle means perimeter circle here. In AutoCAD 3P method is there na. Okay, this is perimeter circle. Click on here. See, start point, first point, second point, third point. Why have to use this perimeter circle, 3-point circle? by points. So for example, you know the triangle na? Triangle having how many endpoints are there? 3 endpoints. Yes or no? Okay, I want to draw circle around this triangle. Okay, directly you can go to the perimeter circle, click on the first point, second point, third point. I want to touch 3 endpoints. I want to draw the circle, so that is called perimeter circle or 3-point circle. Okay, only these two circles are there. 3-point circle and center point circle. That's it. Okay, this is called circle component. Inside ఎక్కడన్నా రాదు, దానికి సపరేట్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, మీరు డ్రాయింగ్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ మిడ్ పాయింట్స్ తీసుకోవచ్చు కానీ కరెక్ట్గా రాదు. మిడ్ పాయింట్స్ నుంచి తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కెన్ గో టు ది పెరిమీటర్ సర్కిల్. సో మిడ్ పాయింట్స్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ మిడ్ పాయింట్ here mid points is not visible. Okay, so you can click here, you can click here also, in that time is possible. Okay, so or you can use the geometrical constraints also, you can draw correct one. Okay, so this is two types of circles are there. Okay, after completion of the circle command, can go to the rectangle. See here 5 types of rectangles are there: corner rectangle, center rectangle, 3-point corner rectangle, 3-point center rectangle. Next one is parallelogram. Okay, so can go to the corner rectangle. So in corner rectangle, how to draw? First corner, second corner, first corner, second corner. Okay, so first corner I want to need second corner this side. This is called corner rectangle. In AutoCAD is also same way you want to draw rectangle. Okay, see again one more is there. What happened here? Center rectangle. Center rectangle means what? Directly click on the circle center point. You can draw the, sorry, you can directly click on the center point to draw the rectangle. Directly click on the center. Okay, see you can draw rectangle here now. You can observe here dotted lines are there. From where to connect it? From the endpoints, from the corners. So I don't want to need this center rectangle. See, from midpoints I want to need. You can click on here. Your reference lines you want to draw from the midpoints. Okay, from corners means what? So you want to draw reference lines from the corners. Okay, for example, I want to take this yard construction lines is on. Okay, see from corners I want to take. Previously corner rectangle having there is no construction lines na. Now you want to see this corner rectangle is also having construction lines. అర్థమైందా? ప్రీవియస్గా నేను ఈ కార్నర్ రెక్టాంగిల్ డ్రా చేసినప్పుడు ఈ డాటెడ్ లైన్స్ యాడ్ కాదు, ఎందుకంటే అది ఆఫ్ చేసు. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కార్నర్ రెక్టాంగిల్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ center rectangle. See next one is, so I want to switch off this. So next one is 3-point corner rectangle. Why have to use this 3-point corner rectangle? Why means, for example, I am drawing rectangle in some incline. Center rectangle is possible to draw inclinedly. Corner rectangle is possible, not possible. Okay, I want to need so rectangle in some inclined. Okay, see starting point, second point I am taking some incline, third point. This is what? 3-point corner rectangle. 3-point corner rectangle means what? You can click 3 points compulsory. Okay, I am taking starting point here, ending point, second point is here, third point is here. You can take 2 points is vertically na, you can draw, so rectangle is horizontal. For example, first point is here, I want to take second point some incline, so you want to draw rectangle now. See, inclined rectangle is possible to draw. Yes, that is the use of the this option. రెక్టాంగిల్ని నేను సమ్ ఇంక్లైన్డ్గా డ్రా చేయాలనుకుంటాను, అప్పుడు ఈ ఆప్షన్కి వెళ్తేనే వస్తుంది. తర్వాత ఎంత యాంగిల్ కావాలనేది స్పెసిఫై చేసుకుంటాం, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, సి నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 3-point center rectangle. Next one is what? 3-point center rectangle. 3-point center rectangle means directly you can take the rectangle center point. After taking the center point, so you can take half of the length or half of the width point. Next point is I am taking half of the length point. After that, half of the width point. What points I am clicking here? Center, length point, width point. Okay, that's why 3-point center rectangle. 3-point center rectangle means 3 points I am taking and center points is also I am taking. Now that's why that name is called 3-point center rectangle. Okay, సో మీరు డ్రా చేసేటప్పుడు మీకు ఏది యూజ్ అయితే అది యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి అంతే. అంతేగా, మనకి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. మనం చేసేటప్పుడు మనకి ఏ ఆప్షన్ యూజ్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటే ఆప్షన్ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకేనా? సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్ హియర్ parallelogram. You know the parallelogram? First point, second point. So here third point is some incline. Parallelogram means so opposite sides will be parallel and equal. Okay, so this is called parallelogram. Total these are the rectangle comments. Okay, how many types? 5 types are there. Okay, see rectangle also having for construction. For example, you want to switch on this, what happened? So rectangle I want to draw. After completion, see, click on the for construction, click on OK. You can convert it into a dotted rectangle. Okay, this is called rectangle command. Okay, see, I want to select all these, delete. Okay, so for example, in your page you want to draw number of diagrams. By mistake you want to rotate your page. Press the scroll button, you can move. The time is rotating your sketches. The time click on the sketch option, click on here. Again you can come to the normal. Anyway, by mistake you can rotate your page. Okay, that time what I have to do? So click on the sketch option. Okay, click on the normal option. Okay, that time ఏమొస్తుంది మళ్ళీ నార్మల్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది పేజ్. బై మిస్టేక్ రొటేట్ ప్యాన్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాం, నీకు ఆటో క్యాడ్ అలవాటు కదా. ఆటో క్యాడ్ అలవాటు మీద ఏం చేస్తావు? పేజ్ని ప్యాన్ చేయడానికి మౌస్ మిడిల్ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేసి జరుపుతావు. జరిపినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ రొటేట్ అవుతుంది, జరగదు అనమాట. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే నువ్వు సో స్కెచ్ మీద క్లిక్ చేసి నార్మల్ ఆప్షన్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ నార్మల్కి వచ్చేస్తుంది పేజ్. Okay, so here see 3 commands will be completed now: line, circle and rectangle. Next you can go to the here arc command. First one, 3-point arc. First point, second point, third point, wherever you want to need third point. First point, arc, end point and third point is midpoint. Okay, first point, second point I want to need here, third point is here I want to need. That is 3-point arc. In AutoCAD is also there na 3-point arc, but in AutoCAD you can use 3-point arc. You can click one by one point. Straight ga click చేయాలి, 1 2 3. బట్ ఇక్కడ అలా క్లిక్ చేయాలి. స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్, ఎండ్ పాయింట్, మిడ్ పాయింట్. Okay, so in AutoCAD to draw the arc 10 methods are there. Okay, in that methods start and direction option is there. Okay, this is called start and direction. Okay, start point, end point, direction is this side or this side. That method is called here 3-point arc. Okay, so next one here, one more is there, tangent arc. Tangent arc means you can connect the any 2 endpoints, but not using this one. Select this, sometimes you can use. So you can connect 2 endpoints, that time you can use tangent arc. Next one, this one, 3-point arc, one more. Okay, Sorry, this is 3 point now. First one, center point arc. Center point arc means directly you can click the center point. After clicking, circle reference is there. After arc start point, arc end point. This is my center. This is my arc start point, arc end point. This is center point arc. So in AutoCAD, start end angle method is there. Start center end method is there. Center start end method is there. Okay. Center start angle method is there. These four methods will be there here. Okay. Directly you can take the arc center point. After that, where you can start your arc start, arc end point. అంటే ఏం చేసినా సెంటర్ పాయింట్ తీసుకున్నా అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది సర్కిల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది ఫామ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఆర్క్ స్టార్ట్ పాయింట్ ఎక్కడ కావాలి ఎండ్ పాయింట్ ఎక్కడ కావాలో క్లిక్ చేస్తాం అర్థమైందా సో స్టార్ట్ సెంటర్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మై స్టార్ట్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ హియర్ ఎండ్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ హియర్ okay so that is called center point this is also having for construction is you can switch on this okay that will be converted into a dotted one okay so three types of arcs are there okay 3 point arc and center point arc is mostly used these two okay so arc command is also complete so next one can go to the here polygon you know the polygon what is polygon
Three or more sides.
three or more side okay so polygon is a closed entity polygon is always closed one more than two sides is called a polygon why more than two sides so polygon is a closed entity you can create the closed entity closed loop compulsory you want to need three sides first without three sides so by using two sides is possible to draw closed one not possible that's why more than two sides is called a polygon okay more than two sides means you can start from the three sides okay three sides name is there that is the name as triangle four sides rectangle four sides means what is the name of that polygon hmm? Four sides mean rectangle is there square is there rhombus is there parallelogram is there so many are there but what is the four sides name hmm. okay why means in polygon all sides are equal length means quadrilateral only square only equal length all sides rectangle having two sides only equal yes or no that's why that is a quadrilateral so five sides means pentagon six sides means hexagon seven sides means hectagon octagon nonagon decagon dodecagon endecagon up to 1024 sides polygons are there but you can use mostly up to 10 sides only okay why means you can take more sides that shape you want to see that is a circular shape yes or no సో ఆటోక్యాడ్ లో ఒక 20 సైడ్స్ ఎంటర్ చేసి డ్రా చేయి పాలిగాన్ ఏమవుతుంది అది సర్కిల్ లాగా కనపడుతుంది జూమ్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ సైడ్స్ కనపడతాయి ఓకే అప్ టు 10 సైడ్స్ వరకు ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తారు ఓకే మోస్ట్లీ ఏంటంటే మనకి హెక్సాగాన్ ఒక్కటి ఉంటే సరిపోతుంది మోస్ట్లీ యూజ్డ్ మీన్స్ హెక్సాగాన్ ఓన్లీ okay see you can click on the polygon see here how many sides you want to need కనపడుతుందా how many sides you want to need for example three sides three enter okay so you know inscribed circle circumscribed circle okay see this is my start point this is my end point I want to draw triangle three sides means triangle only okay so for example four sides after click on ok again click on the so polygon see four sides I want to need four enter okay you want to draw straight
Circle of the
so inscribed circumscribed
but if you don't want the circle.
full circle not full circle that is a reference one only okay that is a reference one only See, next 5 sides I want to need. 5 enter. See, 6 sides, 6 enter. You can change that. 7 sides, 7 enter. 7. Okay, 8 sides, 8 enter. For example, 20 sides, 20 enter. You can see that is a circular one. How many sides you want to need? You can enter the sides, you can draw the polygon. After that, you can specify how much side length you want to need, you can specify by using dimension. Okay, so this is the polygon command. For construction is on that time what happen here, you can draw a dotted polygon. Okay, so this is called polygon command. Polygon is also over. So next one, after completion, you can go to the ellipse command. You know the ellipse? Okay, what is the difference between circle and ellipse? Circle having dimension, radius or diameter. Yes. Yes. Okay. So what is the difference between circle and ellipse? Circle having dimension, radius or diameter. Okay. So ellipse having major axis length, minor axis length. Circle having all 4 sides having same radius. Yes or no? In 0 direction, 90, 180, 270. All sides you can measure, same radius is there. That's why that will be round one. But ellipse having, so one major axis and one minor axis is there. So horizontally different length is there, vertically different length is there. Okay, that time only that will be having ellipse. Okay, చూసినప్పుడు ellipse గా కనపడుతుంది. Major means length is more, minor means length is less. ఓకే, సో ఒక యాక్సిస్ లెంత్ అనేది తక్కువ ఉంటేనే నీకు ఎలిప్స్ గా కనపడుతుంది. రెండు యాక్సిస్ లెంత్ సేమ్ గా తీసుకున్నావు అనుకో, అదేమవుతుంది, సర్కిల్ షేపే వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? సి హియర్ ఎలిప్స్ ఈజ్, క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది ఎలిప్స్. ఓకే, సి క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది సెంటర్ పాయింట్, major axis, minor axis. You don't know how much major axis length, how much minor axis length. After completion of your drawing, you can specify that. Okay, for example, I want to need ellipse will be horizontally. You can take major axis is horizontal. Yes sir. Okay, click the center, major axis length, minor axis length. So to draw the ellipse in AutoCAD, 2 methods are there. Axis end method is there, center axis method is there. Yes or no? Axis end method means what? Okay, see here only center method is there. Directly click on the ellipse center, you can specify major axis length, you can specify minor axis length. Only center method is there here. Okay, so click on the center, major axis, minor axis. Okay, this is ellipse center method. This is also for construction is there. All are having for construction. Just click on work. ఒకటే method. Okay, so only center method is. See, after can go here, partial ellipse. Partial ellipse means ellipse arc command, you know, ellipse arc in AutoCAD. Can specify the angle. So I don't want to need full ellipse. I want to need ellipse from some angle to some angle only. That is called ellipse arc. Okay, here partial ellipse is also same as ellipse arc. Okay, so can go to the partial ellipse. See, click on the ellipse center point, after major axis length, after that, sorry, see partial ellipse, this is center, major axis length, minor axis I want to start here. Y means I want to starting my ellipse from here. That's why I am taking minor axis endpoint here. After that you can start your ellipse. From where to where you want to need. I don't want to need full ellipse. I want to need ellipse from 0 to up to 180 degrees only. Okay, so this is partial ellipse. Partial ellipse means ellipse arc. For example, I want to need ellipse starting point is at 180 degrees. For example, that time what have to do? You can take ellipse center, major axis, minor axis point. You can take start point is here at 180. You want to click. You can start from here. Here not enter any angle. Directly you can click the start point and end point. Okay, this is called partial ellipse. In AutoCAD ellipse arc command is there, you can write that. Okay, same as this one. So next one, after completion of the partial ellipse, can go to the parabola, conic. These two options are not using anytime anyway. Okay, these two options are not using. So, but I want to discussing parabola. Parabola means start point. See, first point, second point. After that, start point. After that, end point. Start point, end point, again start point, again end point. See, start point, another point, my parabola start point, parabola end point. Okay, this is parabola. Okay, so next one, hyperbola is there, means conic option. Conic means first point, second point, third point, fourth point. Means you can click start point, parabola, conic start point, conic end point, after that conic radius, okay, after that another radius. Means in this way you want to click 4 points, but not using these two options anyway. Okay, you can leave it, no problem. Okay, so conic and parabola. This is the ellipse, parabola and conic. Okay, this is ellipse command, that's it. Okay, so today you can practice these options only. Tomorrow I will discussing spline command. Okay, next one here slots option is a slots. So these options also you can practice, no problem. Okay, you got practice చేయండి మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిన వస్తాయి. Okay, so after completion of this I will start modify commands, fillet, chamfer, trim, extend. Okay, move command, copy command, scale command, array command. I will start that commands. Okay, today you can practice up to these options only. Okay, for example, anyway you want to need dimensions, so you can click on the smart dimensions, you can apply it. ఇది కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకో. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లైన్ డ్రా చేసినావు అనుకో, నీకు లెంత్ కావాలనుకో, కెన్ గో టు దిస్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది స్మార్ట్ డైమెన్షన్, యూ కెన్ అప్లై ది length, how much length you want to need, you can enter here, click on OK. Okay, for example you can draw the circle, so you want to need radius or diameter, so directly you can go to the smart dimension, click on the circle, you can apply the diameter. For example, to draw the rectangle, so rectangle having length and width na, so you can go to the smart dimension, so you can apply the length. Okay, so okay, you can apply the width. Okay, after applying double click on that anytime you want to. ఓకే, సో ఈ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిన తర్వాత డ్రాయింగ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తా అంటే చేసుకో వచ్చిన డ్రాయింగ్స్ వరకు. ఓకేనా, సో టుమారో ఐ విల్ కంటిన్యూ ది క్లాస్. క్లియర్, అర్థమైందా? ఓకే, సో జస్ట్ అవి చూడండి, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా, డైమెన్షన్స్ ఏమైనా అప్లై చేసుకుంటా అనుకుంటే ఆ స్మార్ట్ డైమెన్షన్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని అప్లై చేసుకోండి. డ్రాయింగ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తా అంటే చేయండి, వచ్చిన కాడికి చేయాలి. మనకు అన్ని టూల్స్ తెలియదు కాబట్టి నువ్వు ఇప్పుడే డ్రాయింగ్ చేయలేవు. ఓకే, చేస్తా అంటే వచ్చిన డ్రాయింగ్స్ ట్రై చేయాలి. ఓకేనా, ఎస్.